Ladies and gentlemen, a social media trial that started with a letter, openly shared on Facebook. Friday, November 17, 2023, from a Washington, D.C. law firm to former Mr. Prime Minister, Timothy Harris, Mr. Leslie Kahn aka Les Kahn, and Mr. Vincent Byron. The letter was served, as a formal notice regarding certain actions that transpired under their administration and management with respect to the Street Kitts and Nevis Citizenship by Investment, CBI, program. About some alleged shady deal that happened on May 6, 2022, under their governance, MSR Media SKN Ltd was approved for the CBI program's alternative investment option at the legal price of $200,000 per share. Then on Saturday, November 18, 2023, former Mr. Prime Minister, Timothy Harris lashed back with a letter from their lawyer. Listen. Mr. Philip Martinez, Fortlands, Basse-Terre, St. Kitts. In the matter of an intended action between Dr. Timothy Sylvester Harris versus you. Dear Sir, we act for Dr. the Hon Timothy Sylvester Harris, of Tabernacle Village, St. Kitts. On Friday, 17 November, 2023, you published a letter addressed to our client under the name Mr. Timothy Harris, and others. Your letter contains the following words which are defamatory of our client in his capacity of former Prime Minister of the Federation and in his personal capacity. 1. The result of this investigation, into the finance and discounting schemes in the CBI program that occurred under your administration and management, has revealed numerous potential violations of United States laws including fraud, money laundering, tax evasion, and corruption. 1. On November 15, 2023, Mark Brantley, a member of your government at the time we are referring to, stated in his radio/video broadcast that your actions were illegal. 1. You have misrepresented the legal value of the CBI shares to MSR Media and American investors, while establishing a fraudulent network to sell shares of other projects at a fraction of their legal price, especially concerning the jail project. 1. MSR Media has evidence of your fraudulent activities. These words mean, and were understood to mean, that our client is guilty of various fraudulent and illegal activities, including fraud, money laundering, tax evasion, and corruption, in the course of his administration and management of the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, as its Prime Minister. All the allegations made against him are entirely false and the attack on him is unjustified. He has not engaged in any of the fraudulent or illegal activities alleged. Under his leadership the CBI program was highly regarded. The approval of your MSN Media SKN project was made in compliance with the law and principles of integrity and good governance. Mr. Brantley, your apparent witness, himself approved the CBI program as a member of the same government. In addition, we are instructed that as Premier of Nevis, Mr. Brantley asked our client to give the Nevis Island administration more of the money being earned from the said CBI program. Your charges amount to a very serious libel to our client and has caused him considerable distress and embarrassment. Your intention to damage our client's reputation is evidenced by the number and nature of persons and institutions stated to have been copied to it, including representatives of the political, official, legal and commercial establishment of the state, and the international media with the implied invitation for them to republish it widely. We have included them in this letter to inform them that the contents of your publication are false and defamatory and that they should not republish it. In the circumstances, our client requires from you, as a matter of urgency, a full and unequivocal public retraction and apology in terms to be approved by us, a statement in court and an undertaking not to repeat these allegations. You are also advised that our client is entitled to substantial compensation for the injury to his reputation and feelings, as to which we invite your proposals. Our client will also require payment by you of all the legal costs he has incurred in this matter. We look forward to hearing from you without delay. If we have not received a satisfactory reply by Tuesday, November 21, 2023, our instructions are to issue a claim form. In the meantime, our client reserves all his rights. Yours faithfully, Fosters per Renee T. St. Rose Partner. C.C. William P. Barry, Miller Chevalier, Sandy Prussina, Miller Chevalier Mark Brantley, Premier of Nevis, Garth Wilkin, Attorney General of St. Kitts and Nevis Paul Singh and Catherine Koo, CS Global Ms. Ing Jean, CEO, Caribbean Galaxy Real Estate Corporation. Damian Kelsick, Attorney at Law. Dwyer Astafan, Attorney at Law. Daisy Randall, Attorney at Law. Sylvester Anthony, CIU Farron Lawrence, Carib Trust Ltd. Dorietta Freights, Skipa Lee Beasley, MSR Media SKN Ltd. Terrence Crossman, St. Kitts Nevis Anguilla National Bank. Based on these two letters, the public want to know, since it appears the trial is about to be held on social media via Facebook. If anyone is found guilty, would the guilty held in Facebook jail? This isn't a joke, the people want to know.